Uniform circular motion refers to the motion of objects traveling in a circle. The speed, which is a scalar, is constant, but the direction is always changing, which means that the velocity, which is a vector, changes as well. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity, and therefore an object in uniform circular motion has acceleration. This type of acceleration is called centripetal acceleration because it is center-seeking or pointing towards the center. This acceleration is caused by a center-seeking net force called the centripetal force. The centripetal force is not a specific force, but rather the sum of all forces. For example, for a car going around in a circular racetrack at constant speed, its normal force and gravitational force cancel out, and the force of friction between the tires and the ground is the centripetal force. For a person pressed against the wall of a spinning roller coaster with no seatbelt and no floor, the force of friction and the force of gravity cancel out. Therefore, the centripetal force is the normal force that the wall exerts on the person. The direction of the centripetal acceleration is always towards the center of the circular path in which the object is traveling. However, in order to calculate the magnitude of this acceleration, we use the formula AC equals v squared over r, where a is the centripetal acceleration, v is the speed of the object, and r is the radius of the circular path. The speed can be calculated through the formula 2 pi r over capital T because the distance is the circumference of the path and capital T is the time taken to go around the circle once. Therefore, the formula for acceleration can also be written as AC equals 2 pi r over t squared over r, which can be simplified to 4 pi squared r over capital T squared. As we know from Newton's second law, the formula for force is F equals ma. As we also know, the direction of a centripetal force is always towards the center of a circular path. To calculate the magnitude, we simply plug numbers into the formula Fc equals mac, where Fc is the centripetal force, m is the mass, and ac is the centripetal acceleration.
Created using Powtoon.